Alright, good evening everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com. This is box break number 203-1314 Rookie Anthology from tonight, June 20th. And here's your list of winning bidders. Alright, just to go over a couple of things before we get going. Our roulette board for today looks a little bit like this, and I forgot to change the chips around from last break, so that is alright. We got green on 0 and 00. We got green on 4 and 8 and 10. We've got some orange on 15, green on 17, green on 19, orange on 24, green on 25, green on 32, and orange on 33. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away one of the following cards. If we spin a green chip, we'll be giving away this Joe Vitale Rookie Treasures. And if we spin an orange chip, we'll be giving away this Evan Brophy autographed Rookie from the Cup. And if we spin both, we'll give away the higher chip value of the two, which would be the orange 50. In verses today, we got the following two cards. In the black corner, we've got an Emerald Patrice Cormier dual patch. And in the red corner, we've got a Lane McDermott Peerless Patches from Dominion. So like the roulette board bonus, as the wheel gets spun, colors are going to come up, both red and black spots. Every time an associated color comes up, that card is going to get a chip, and at the end of the break, whichever card has the most chips will be declared the victor and will be given away. Our short straw cards for today are as follows. We've got a rookie roll call of Mark Letestu and a Authentic Fabrics of Dustin Byfuglien. So those will head out to two separate teams who failed to get hits during the regular portion of the break. Otherwise, before we get to Rookie Anthology, we're going to start things off by spinning our roulette wheel and refunding a team for this break. And the refund is not quite yet. There's a red 32. No team associated with 32, so we'll spin again. And black 35, that's not helping us either, so we'll spin again. And team number 19. So team number 19 on our board is the New York Rangers. So DJ and Ella's mom will be our free team recipient for today. So Aaron, I will refund that one to you a little bit later. And otherwise, here's our box and here's our serial number. That is NE190791262. So here are our packs. Empty box. Good luck everybody, and here we go. We got some Vincent LeCavalier for the Flyers, Johansson for the Jackets. And our first strike going to the Chicago Blackhawks. It is a hot rookie of Drew LeBlanc. That one's heading to Big Four Bones. So I'll get that bonus for you in just a second. And behind there, none other than Winnipeg's own Jacob Trouba, rookie gear, heading to the Winnipeg Jets and Sean 1989-77. And Jonathan Taves closing off that pack. So, Big Four Bones for getting the first strike of the break. I will be including in your pack a pack of 13-14 Select, So there you go. So that is heading your way. Pack number 2. We got Subban for the Canadians, Ennis for the Sabres, and we got a hot rookie of Chris Brown for the Washington Capitals and Wrangler Nation. And for the New York Rangers, we got a rookie of Connor Allen, so we'll be heading to DJ and Ella's mom. And to close off that pack, Couture for the Sharks. And in here, Kessler for the Canucks, Price for the Canadians. For the New York Rangers and DJ and Ella's mom, we got a score of Zuccarello. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins and DJ and Ella's mom, we got a hot rookie of Eric Hartzell. And we got a spacer and Datsuk for the Red Wings. Gaborik for the Kings, Miller for the Blues, and for the Carolina Hurricanes, and Sean 1989-77, we've got a select of Nathan Gerbe, a select prism. And behind that, we got a rookie of David Brohl for the Toronto Maple Leafs. That one's heading to SMG. And Parise for the Wild, closing off that pack. All right, and here we got Spezza for the Senators, Bobrovsky for the Jackets. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, we got a Jonathan Bernier score insert. And for the Buffalo Sabres and DJ and Ella's mom, we've got ourselves a luxury sweet rookie of Mikhail Grigorenko. The white jersey swatch. And that one is numbered 8 out of 99. See if we can focus in on this. Number 8 out of 99, so that'll qualify us for our Crazy 8s bonus. So I'll get those packs in just a second. And Eberle for the Oilers. And for hitting that 8, I'll open up a pack of 13-14 Series 1. Ben, Marchand, Viznovsky, Weber, and we've got a canvas of Wayne Simmons, the Philadelphia Flyers. So I'll be heading to DJ and Ella's mom. Backus for the Blues, Wild, Suter, Smid, and NHL Game Center. Next pack feels like a thickie, looks like a thickie. Save it to the end. We have Brodeur for the Devils, Giordano for the Flames. We got a hot rookie of Cameron Schilling for the Washington Capitals. And behind that for the Montreal Canadiens, a prism of Daniel Briere. That one is heading to RNO M2. And Nash for the Rangers. Back is for the Blues, Campbell for the Panthers. Then we got a hot rookie of Alex Petrovich for the Florida Panthers. That one is going to be heading to Big Four Bones. And for the Winnipeg Jets and Sean 1989-77, we got a select of Devin Setaguchi. And Okposo for the Islanders. Then we got Holtby for the Capitals, Weber for the Preds. For the Buffalo Sabres, we got Mark Pysyk. That one's headed to DJ and Ella's mom. And we've got a redemption. And from the back, Cam Ward for the Hurricanes. So a redemption. Rookie Anthology, rookie selection, card number 121 of Ryan Murphy. Ryan Murphy will be heading to the Columbus Blue Jackets. And Cody C99. Second last pack. Camilleri for the Flames. Giroux for the Flyers. Then for the Nashville Predators and DJ and Ella's mom, we've got a Prism rookie, Marek Mazenik. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, we have a rookie prism of Morgan Riley. One's heading to SMG. And Crosby for the Penguins. And our last pack. Luongo for the Panthers. Ovechkin for the Capitals. For the Dallas Stars, we got Tyler Seguin. From the back, Patrice Bergeron for the Bruins. And going to the Toronto Maple Leafs, we got a select rookie auto refractor of Josh Levo. And that's once again going to SMG. And that one will be numbered. That one is numbered 45 out of 99. 45 out of 99, and that'll close off the box. Alright, so we'll be taking a look at our high roller bonus. High roller bonus is awarded to the team that has the highest bid value that failed to get a hit. And that'll be given a slot into our customer appreciation box of Dominion. And that one is going to be going to the Colorado Avalanche and Bummer Boy. So Jack, I'll be putting you down for spot number 19 as soon as I can find my pen. There it is. There you go, spot number 19. And our short straw. So here are the teams that got hits during the regular portion of the break. So we'll shovel them off to the side. The remaining teams will all be combined into our cup. And shaking around. So just to recap, we have the Authentic Fabrics of Bufflin and the Rookie Roll Call of Letestu. So we'll start off with the Rookie Roll Call, finish off with the Authentic Fabrics. First card, heading to the Ottawa Senators. And DJ and L's mom, and Bufflin is heading to the San Jose Sharks. San Jose is Linda Scouts. And Columbus did hit. They had the rookie redemption earlier on. All right, next up, we'll take a look at our customer appreciation list. So we'll give it away another spot. That'll be spot number 20. And that'll be going to team number... Team number 27. Did that redemption say Ryan Murphy instead of Ryan Murray? Here, I'll look that up in just a second. The additional customer appreciation slot is going to team number 27. Team number 27 is the St. Louis Blues. St. Louis in this break went to P123PC. So Paul, you'll take spot number 20. All right, let's see where this redemption is. Yes, that is correct. Ryan Murphy. Not Ryan Murray, as I was deceived. So thank you guys for correcting me. That is Ryan Murphy heading to the Carolina Hurricanes rather than the Columbus Blue Jackets. So I'll be heading to Sean 1989-77. All right. And next up, we'll take a look at our roulette board. So we're going to spin our wheel a couple more times just to fill things up a little bit more. So we'll spin her 3 more times. And we will add spot number 24. We will add spot number 27 again, and spot number 8. All right, let me jot these down. So to recap, the numbers that we've spun today, number 32, 35, 19, 27, 24, 27, and 8. So we'll go down the list and see what we got. So we had spot number 8, which is a green chip. So we'll for sure be giving away the Vitaly Rookie Treasures. We had spot number 19, which is also a green chip. And we had spot number 24. And 24 is an orange chip. So there we go. Orange chip. We'll be giving away this Evan Brophy, the Cup rookie auto. And that one is going to be heading to team number... That is going to team number 9. And team number 9 on our board is going to be heading to the Tampa Bay Lightning and Sean, 1989-77. So congratulations, Sean. That patch card is heading your way. And lastly, we will take a look at our versus. Tampa Bay Lightning, Brophy. And versus with a score of 5 chips to 3, the victory card of Lane McDermott is going to be our card. And that card will be heading to the following team. That is team number 13. And team number 13 on our board is the Boston Bruins and Linda. So congratulations, Linda. That one will be heading your way. Boston. And that is our break, so congratulations to everybody who got some hits. Hope you guys all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you again next time.